Hi guys, this is a quick overview on how to add WorkOS as OAuth provider. Once you create a team in WorkOS dashboard, you will have access to WorkOS client ID and API key. We will copy those to Supabase. And we will also set the WorkOS URL to api.workos.com. Under the redirects in WorkOS dashboard, we can add our callback URL. Here is already added. And also you can access your API keys here. Once that is done, we will need to add a new organization. Let's add organization name. And in our case, we will add a allowed domain supabase.com. Now we need to add a single sign-on configuration, and we will select test provider for this example. In sign in with OAuth call, we can pass connection ID, organization ID, or provider type. In this case, we will pass the organization ID. Here is it. And let's paste it to our call. And now we should be able to test our integration. Let's see. All right, let's use the supabase.com email and then try to log in. All right, we have successfully logged in. Let's check if we see the user here. Yes, here is the new user. And if we view the connection, we can see the successful sessions here. We can also try to sign in with a different domain, like supabase.io. And this should give us an error. Profile not allowed outside organization. Right, so let's double check the sessions. And here is the failed one. And this is it for this example. Thank you very much.